Pag yuko niya, yan, ayan, yuyuko yan, pang, ay, yan, tingnan nyo, wala na siyang malay doon. Stop na yan mga idol. Delikado yung tama. Sinalubong talaga. Sinalubong yung napakalakas na uppercut mga idol.
Matapos na knockout ng ating kababayan na si Yumir Felix Marcial, ang Argentinian fighter na si Ricardo Villaba na tinapos nito by second round technical knockout ay katatapos lang ng laban nito na ginanap sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium, Malate, Manila, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Tuwidsak Sinam. Taglay ang kartada ng Thai fighter na 23 wins, 19 knockouts, habang si Yumir Marcial ay may kartadang 4 wins, 3 knockouts at wala pang talo. Lumalaban ang ating kababayan sa super middleweight division. Samantala, dito muling pinatunayan ni Yumir Marcial ang bigat at bagsik ng kamao nito nang inakout ng Pinoy ang dayong Thai fighter.
Southeast Asian Games gold medalist. He's a southpaw, and Yumir Marcial now fighting in his 5th professional fight, the first professional fight in the Philippines. Kanya po, ang tawag natin dito, the homecoming.
Okay, and this is my first time to see him in live, because most of the fights we've done off tube, diba? Ito, the size of Marcial, of course, and look at this, he's picking his spots early on, trying to look for the angles,
throwing that right jab, and then occasionally he throws that left straight. So he's throwing different kinds of punches very early in this fight to keep his opponent guessing.
Si Freddie Roach na ba exclusive na nagte-train kay Marcial yan, o marami pang ibang coaches?
Meron siya ibang mga coaches ngayon, but he trains in Las Vegas. And
all the fights, no? After this fight, we in fact have 3 more fights that are scheduled na kailangan ilaban mamaya.
And they're going to be good ones. They're going to be good fights. Now, you also notice that a change of power shots here by Yumir Marcial. He's throwing that left hand a little bit more than in the first round, yung left straight. At pag tinapo niya yung left, parang nararamdaman mo, mas matiin ngayon.
Alam mo, I'm sure naman the Thai knows the credentials nitong si Marcial, ano ha?
Well, the Thai actually is coming off a 3rd round knockout win over Virad in Thailand last December.
That's just 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're saying that this fellow has fought all over the world. He's fought in Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Kazakhstan,
wherever there's
Korea, Indonesia.
Kahit saan may trabaho.
Yeah.
Ano?
So this guy is a journeyman. He's fought around the world. And now he's up against probably, arguably, the most hardy opponent he's ever faced. The toughest opponent ever.
And now Marcial beginning to unspool some of his repertoire. He's picking his location. A good left hand by the Thai, however, grazing the chin of Marcial.
And for Marcial, he's got to be aware that it's not just offense that will win in fights. It's also the defense. He's got to be careful. You don't want to get hit if you're just trying to hit your opponent.
Apologizing, Marcial.
I don't know.
You know, ready na
It
siya.
depends on what condition he'll be in after this fight. He might just go straight to maybe a hospital, depending on how much punishment he takes.
Kaya gusto ko yung punto mo na maganda yung pagkakakat ng katawan nito si Marcial.
Chiseled. Very well
Parang
chiseled. You can see that he's
ready na siya
you
for
can see that
anything
he's
down
ready.
the road.
But you know, the big challenge for Yumir is how to bring up his power and speed to a much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics, ha? July na yan, di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes.
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this, and in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep that power. But maybe you might compromise your speed.
Kasi yung mga kalaban niya, malalaki kinito na, di ba? Yung mga East Europeans, di ba? And ito na.
Ito, pinapaspasan na ni Yumir Marcial.
Yung uppercut. Oh! And look at this. The Thai drops right in front of us and he's still shaking.
Well, he doesn't know where he is. Just one uppercut. One uppercut.
It's done! It is over!
And it's over. One shot for Yumir Marcial. It was an uppercut, the left hand. And I think they need to bring an oxygen mask here. They need to attend to him. He's still down.
And the doctors, I think, are already there.
The attending physicians are over here, but I think he needs an oxygen mask. He needs to be attended to.
There it is, Kinita. It's on your right. It's on your right. Ayan.
Okay, there it is now. Now they're gonna check.
Chiseled. Very well chiseled. Yeah, you can see the chisel. But, the big challenge for Ymir is how to bring up his power and speed to a much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics na July na yan, di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes.
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this. And in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep that power.
At makalipas lang ang 1 minuto mga bay, ay ininda ng kalaban ang body shot ni Marshall. Hanggang sa matamaan ng counter ang kanyang mukha, ay bulagta ito sa luna.
Ito pinapaskasan na ni Ymir Marshall.
And look at this, the guy drops right in front of us and he's still shaking.
He doesn't know where he is. Just one uppercut. One uppercut.
It's done! It is over!
It's over. Now they're gonna check his eyes, but I still don't see it. I don't see the oxygen. Okay, now they're bringing in the oxygen mask. They need that. They need that.
It's on the right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, that's important. That's for immediate care. And then you watch the left hand of Ymir Marshall. That went through the defense, but it didn't connect.
Bumaba.
And then there it is. That left uppercut. And down he went.
Panalo si Ymir Marshall via 4th round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.